telling me in my French period, especially because that is the only period they used to enjoy and have some recreation. So they used to tell me as soon as I enter the class, Miss, please don't give your period to Mr. Kirbagaran, Miss. Please, Miss, we ask you, Miss. So I just wanted Mr. Kirbagaran to hear this. Thank you.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks for revealing the story again. Now I call upon Ms. Atai. I don't know. I mean, we were trying to remember a lot of phrases for Atai, Miss, but I don't think we haven't really got any good word. So, ma'am, please.
Very good morning to everybody. It's a great pleasure to have everybody after 20 years in the midst of here. I am very happy. I couldn't find words to express my feelings. That's true. It's 100% true. I could not express my feelings. After 20 years, I have never expected this will happen. Because one student came to my school. I have transferred from here to Carly Higher Secondary, CSI Carly Higher Secondary School because of my inconvenience. One student came to Carly Higher Secondary School, asked me, will you come? We are going to arrange a meeting like this. It is a 25 years completed students batch, 88 set students. I said, definitely I'll come because it's a pleasure for us to be with you people after 25 years. We became very old, but I am feeling today I am very young in my mind. Even though I became old, after seeing you people, I became very young now. Thank you. God bless you abundantly in your future. May God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's time because we have been addressing the little, when we studied the higher classes. Now we have to really go down to the lower classes. So maybe it is helpful for us to remember our old teachers. Now not 20 years, but maybe 30 years. Okay, so please, ma'am, follow ma'am. Any words? Jaya, Miss. Prosper, Miss. Low, Miss. This is a teacher which every person would have crossed in our school. So, yes, ma'am, please.
I'm so happy to be here to meet all the old students who remember me well, but I can't remember many of them because they have grown so much, and also the parents who have been here. Thanks a lot.
Priscilla, Miss. Okay. Ma'am. Come, Miss. Compel pani kuduthanuma, sir. Okay. Okay. Now, Masla Manik, sir, please. He was there when we just left.
I feel that I also belong to the batch 92 because that was the year I joined, 91 I joined, and you were the first set for me. So I got the privilege of calling me myself as a batch 92, batch belonging to 92.
Thank you.
Very happy to, and I don't know, because of that only I had to have the white shirt today. But I didn't plan for it. God actually, it must be the God's plan to have a same color shirt with you. And I enjoyed the set very much, and the first set, you people were very cooperative and also gave me the courage to continue. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Are you ready? Murali?
Yeah, I'm ready. Could you test the sound? Already said it?
Yeah, hello, can you hear me?
Increase the volume.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we could hear you. மைக் அவுட் போக மாட்டாங்க அங்கேருந்து எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ண முடியல
Hello.
ஸ்பீக் அவுட்ரா
Hello. Yeah.
அங்கேருந்து ஸ்பீக்கர் கொடுக்க முடியுமா யா Chandra, do you have any questions for our teachers and the students here?
Yeah, I have questions for Mr. Kirbakaran.
Oh, to Mr. Kirbakaran? Wow. Yeah, you could carry on. What's the question?
Yes. Mr. Kirbakaran, still you have this long day classes for the students or have you reduced your stress?
Yeah. His question is, are you still having the long hour classes to the students and have you reduced their stress? Huh?
No.
Students are?
That,
Okay. His question is, are you still keeping the students on your toes?
yes. A very yes.
You hear that, Chandra? Okay. His reply is, technology can change, the world can change, but Mr. Kirbakaran never change. That's fantastic. Nice of you, Chandra. So you have anything to Chandra? Do you recollect him? Yeah.
I could faintly recognize the face, but not the whole stature as such. But he has grown up, he has put on weight.
That's correct, sir. Yeah. So he is in Norway and his name is Chandra Mohan. And
I do remember
yeah.
the face cut and everything, but he has grown bald. He has grown, he has put on much weight. And I'm very happy. I'm very happy to talk to you, Chandra Mohan. May God bless you.
Thank you, sir. And Chandra Mohan is having one more question to Mrs. Shiba. I'll just ask him the question and translate it, Mr. Shiba. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. Your kid, could you come again on the question, Chandra? Your kid's name? Nickname was Laughing Boy. Okay. Oh, okay. So his message is you call him as Laughing Boy, Mrs. Atai and Mrs. Shiba, and it's actually carrying over throughout his life, and he's still a laughing boy. That's what he's conveying there. Am I right, Chandra? Yeah, okay. He gets the same name wherever he goes, across the world. So he normally travels across the world and not be at one country. Right now, which country you are in, Chandra? South Korea. Okay, great. Do you have any further questions? Do you have any further questions? I'm going to. Pradeep. Oh, yeah. Okay, what is that? Okay. Pradeep,
No,
it's
no.
an interesting question. All the வந்திருக்கேன் பேச்சு மாறவே இல்லையா? What is that?
நான் ரொம்ப அமைதியான மச்சான்.
Okay. Okay, Chandra. We'll catch you. Thanks for coming online. I'll get other guys. Okay. Thank you, Chandra. Thanks for coming online. Goodbye. Bye. Yeah. Shiva Misko, Satish are coming online. Huh? No, he is not having. That will be coming. That is the question to both Mr. Satai and Shiva. So that's it. No, I'll just. Sikandar, Satish. Now we have other student who is working for Amazon. His name is Satish, and I'm trying to get him online.
In the meantime, Shiva Miss, can you give us a few words? We thought there was a question, but I think he had a different question.
Really, this is a special day. It's a special day indeed.
Hey Satish.
A happy occasion
For some time she's talking.
and a great thought that arose in the minds of the 92 batch. When they came and approached me, I felt very happy. But I could say that all the invitees, the teachers, would feel happy, and I can assure you that our joy knew no bounds. We are extremely happy that you made this occasion. And you recall you're brought up in the school at Masfia. It has enabled you to come to this level, both in your lifestyle and in your occupation. One Bible verse I can say to you now is, பிள்ளையானவனை அவனை நல்ல வழியிலே நீ நடத்து, அவன் முதிர் வயதிலும் அதை மறவாதிருப்பான். Here I could relate that you have been brought up so well in Bishop Corrie by your second parents, indeed, the teachers. And that has made you to make this day possible. So I wish to say to you, all of you now are parents. And may you bring up your children the way that they should be good in life, so that they will never forget in their old age. May God bless you in all the endeavors in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, there's a question from NR Satish.
N.R. Satish works as a project manager, in fact, program manager at Amazon, and he has worked with Infosys for the past 12 years. Am I right, Satish? Of 12 or 14 years. Yeah. And now he has switched his job to Amazon, and he's one of the top guy there. And Satish, do you have any questions to our teachers and students out here?
Actually, even before asking my questions, I just want to make sure that I thank everyone for this great opportunity. I think it's a very unique opportunity that I haven't heard anywhere. students meeting and respecting and thanking their teachers after 20 years.
Oh, that's nice of you, Satish. And any messages or any questions to our beloved teachers here?
Definitely, the message is that each and that's correct. That's correct.
Satish, I think there is a video running behind. I think you got confused. Hold on for a second. The broadcast is going on. I'll just pause it. Okay, we are good now. Please continue, Satish.
Can the audience hear me?
Yeah, they could.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Can the audience hear Murli?
Yeah, they all hear you, Satish. No issues. You can continue.
Respected teachers, dear friends, good afternoon to everyone. Real introduction about myself, Murli said. I'm Satish Kumar NR. After passing out from Bishop Corey, I did my BSc in Vaishnav College.
Go ahead, Satish.
Okay. Actually, I'm super excited about this event. It's a very unique opportunity where the students, after passing out after 20 years, we get a chance to show our respect, show our gratitude to all the teachers who have been stepping so of success in our life. You have played a very great role in our lives, how you have shaped us in our career. So a real great thank you for each and every one of you. And especially to the organizers here. I know there are some key names here, Murali, Sunil and others, but there are so many other guys behind the scene who has made this possible. So really a great thank you for each and every one. And I'm super excited and proud to be part of this great event. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely. Thank you, Satish. Thanks for coming online. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Sorry, there's one more guy I think we are playing out. It's Sultan.
Hey, Sultan. Hey, Sultan. Yeah, we could hear you.
Let me see. Murali, can you hear me?
Yeah, we could hear you, Sultan.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, Sultan. Sultan, go ahead.
Hello guys, all the teachers, all the folks who are present in the hall, my hearty wishes to all of you. So you want me to continue, Murali?
Yeah, we could hear you, Sultan. Not an issue. We could hear you.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
Hey, good to hear your voice and good to see you all, especially our teachers. You know, all the teachers and all the students and their families. Yeah, everybody who's in this hall, and it's a great pleasure to be part of this event. You know, I'm just going back in time to relive the past, our days in Bishop Gowdy School. Especially our headmaster, Lord Benjamin, and all the teachers. There are a few teachers which I still remember. You know, we are very thankful to all of them. It is their hard work on us has made successful. Otherwise, we wouldn't be this successful at all. So I'm thankful to Almighty, and I'm really thankful to all the teachers who are there. I'm really humble to all of you and all my friends, all of my schoolmates and classmates. You know, every one of you over there, and the people who are responsible for this event and working hard to get this done. This is one such wonderful moment in life. I believe this will last for the rest of our lives. And we are so honored to have such wonderful teachers. Hearts go off to them.
Yes. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, just I have one question for the teachers in general. I mean, I'm not just focusing this on a particular teacher.
Yeah, go ahead.
How do they feel meet their students after 2 years? How do they feel?
I'm sorry, Sultan, could you come again on that?
Yeah. How do the teachers feel that meeting the students whom they taught 2 years ago, that they are successful in life and they have remembered them after 20 years and they call them, to come to this event? How do they feel, everybody?
That's absolutely, that's what you could see from the face, the reactions we could see here, and probably I could answer one of our teachers to do that. Probably, anyone, can you answer him? Like, no, he just wanted to understand.